Preston Duffee. I'm from Hartsville. I graduated from Hartsville High School in 2019, and I've been here since the fall of 2019. I chose tech because I know I want to stay close to home. It was an easy choice for me to do, but it also had the path that I wanted to take with mechanical engineering technology. So I thought it was a good choice for me to stay close to home. I like the guys I go to school with. They're from kind of the same area I am. I like the ease of the classes in a way. It's small, so it's more personal, and it's easy to interact with the instructors. I like the hands-on stuff. We're getting into more of that now. At first it was prereqs and some Englishes and some stuff like that, but now we're getting into more of the robots and printers, and I think that's really fun because that's why we're all here, is to get to do some hands-on stuff. I'd like to try to get to do some maintenance stuff, maybe in nuclear, just kind of whatever opportunity gets thrown my way.